Just a quick one regarding the interface in AirTable. You have access to basically two main interface on the left hand side, the planner, which is telling you what is the list of the thing that we haven't done yet, and the other one is a calendar where you can have a look at what is coming and what you've planned and what you've done. In the planner interface, if I'm clicking at the top, the main filter for you to use is the quarter. What is it that you plan to do in which quarter? So we would first select which quarter. So if I decide I'm going to do some planning for, let's say, July, August, and September 2024, I will click this, and then the list is much smaller. I can also do a search with the name of the activity. If I'm looking for something specific, like banana, for example, I will only have the activity that contains the word banana. And I can also filter with the resources, who is supposed to be involved in this activity. So if I only want to see the one that requires the senior ranger, I will see all the activity where the senior ranger is required in this activity. I can remove this. And that is pretty much it for the filtering that you need to know. And as we know, we can have a look at what is left for the quarter. So this banana and citrus activity for this quarter, we know we have to do it once, which is a frequency. And because we haven't scheduled, or there's none of them active or complete in it, therefore we have one less for the quarter. As soon as this number is going to 0, this line will be removed and we don't have to worry about that anymore. For this next one down, coastal surveillance, as soon as we schedule one in the calendar, this number will go from 2 to 1. And that's the same thing for the system. If we want to plan for something for later on, we will probably change for another quarter. We can change the quarter and add the quarter for, let's say, a camp we want to do in October 2024. We will then click this quarter and we have a list that is different here. And all the numbers are different for each quarter. When there'll be another video for the scheduling itself. The calendar view is pretty straightforward. You can click on calendar here and you can basically change the view from the week to the month if you want, whatever thing that works for you. Maybe you want to only see for the day, and you can have access to the information related to this. Just a simple intro